Good night, construction site. 1. Excavator arrives on site, ready to work and do it right. The team's counting on him today, so he'll get started right away.
I'll turn peaches.
Thanks. He revs right up and digs right in. There's one foundation to begin.
Always there.
Next page.
Next page.
2. With dump truck, it's a 2-truck crew. He'll help excavator through and haul away what they don't need. This team has toughness, strength, and speed. Next page.
Next page.
3. Excavator lifts 3 loads of sand and digs 4 trenches in the land. Next page.
Next page.
Then excavator can begin to set some drainage piping in. He sets 5 pipes. All in a row.
1,
dump trucks.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Yep. Backfills and off they go. 6. Excavator lifts and twists around and quickly clears 6 gravel mounds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Excavator loves to dig, lift, run, but now he's having too much fun. Dump truck blows a few stern puffs to get back on track. Now, friend, he huffs. Excavator jumps right into action, revs up the hill with super traction. He dumps 7 scoops in dump truck's bed and rolls back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 scoops. The 2 keep rocking all day long, lifting, hauling, quick and strong. They see 8 boulders, huge and gray. One lifts them, one hauls them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big excavator stops, digs, rolls, and in a flash, he's dug 9 holes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Giant piles, 10 in all lined up, all neat and tall.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
These look like rocks, and these look like bricks. These look like sand or dirt.
Those are dirt.
The sun has set, the workday ends. Everyone counts on these great friends. At one awesome construction site, 2 trucks did their jobs just right. Their day is done. Goodbye, good night.
Good.